Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you all are well. In today's video we are going to show you how you can add your domain in Cloudflare and set up your DNS to connect with your server. So first of all, we have logged in into our TZSMM host account. You have to log in into your account where your domain is registered. My domain is registered in TZSMM host, so I have logged in into my TZSMM host account. So in my dashboard, I can see here a option for domains. I have to click here. After clicking here, I can see my domains list. Here, TZSMM host is my only domain. I have to open its controls. Here we can see our domain status is active, and here it's showing our name servers tab, auto renew, and other details. We need the name servers because we have to change our name server to our Cloudflare's name server. So then you have to log in into your Cloudflare account. I'm going to Google. Here you have to search Cloudflare. After searching, you will find the website in first page. You have to click here. After clicking, you will find an interface like this. Here you will find the option for login. After clicking here, you have to log in. If you don't have any account, you can sign up easily. It's fully free. And here I have previously added many domains, so it's showing, else there will be no domain. Now you have to click on onboard a domain. After clicking here, you will find the option for enter a existing domain or register a new domain. As we have already registered our domain, we have to enter our domain which we have already registered. So I have to copy my domain name, then I have to paste here. After pasting, here we can see there are some more options, like if you have already some DNS records from your hosting or your domain provider, you can scan them and add them automatically. There is another option, you can manually enter DNS record, or you can upload DNS record file. We will select manually enter DNS records. Then we don't want to block AI training bots, so we will click on do not block. Then we will click on continue. After clicking, you will find the option for selecting plan. We want to use the free plan, so we will click on select plan. Then you will find option for your DNS record management. Here you will be able to add your DNS records. You can add any record from here. For now, we will click on continue to activation. We will add later. Then we will click on confirm. Here you will find option. Here it says that your current name server is not the name server provided by Cloudflare. My current name server is ns3.tzsm.com and ns4.tzsm.com. We have to replace these name servers with the name server provided by Cloudflare. So we will copy the name server, and in our managing option, here we have to paste our Cloudflare's name server. You can see we are pasting our Cloudflare's name server. Then we have to click on change name servers. After clicking here, you will find, after clicking here, your name servers will be updated successfully. You can see it came that changes saved successfully, meaning that our name server has been changed. Now we have to come to our Cloudflare. Then here we have to click on continue. After clicking the continue button, we have to scroll down, and here we will find the option that check name servers now. We will click here. Then you can see it says that register take up to 24 hours to process name server changes. quicker in most cases. We will email you when tjsname.xyz is active on Cloudflare. Now we have to wait for the email. It takes up to 10 minutes to 1 hour to update the name server. So we'll cut the video for now. Let's see. Now it's 12:20 a.m. Let's see how much time it takes to be active in Cloudflare. Now we can see that our activation mail has been just arrived. Here you can see it arrived 7 minutes ago. We have paused our video at 12:20 maybe, and now it's 12:58 and our domain was activated at 12:49. You can see here the mail was received 7 minutes ago. Now if we come back to our Cloudflare and if we refresh this page, we can see that our domain has been activated. You can see here, great news, Cloudflare is protecting your site. So now we have to go to our DNS, then records. Here you can see the list of DNS records. Now we have to add our servers a record. For that we will click on add record. Then we have to select a, it is default selected. Then we have to use @ as name. And in the IPv4 address, we have to add our hosting's IP. So if we visit our services, my services, our account has been logged out. Here if we visit our services and our hosting, here we can see that this is our host name and this is our IP. We can simply copy from here. And if you only have your cPanel, you have to open your cPanel, and there you will find a option shared IP address. Here you can see your IP address. You have to copy this, then you have to paste here. After pasting, you have to click on save. That's all. Your domain will be live after this. Now if we visit our domain, you can see our domain is live now. Now we'll create a file. So in public HTML, we are creating index.html file. Here if we add h1 tag, hello, and if we save, you can see that our content is showing. So that's how you can add your domain in Cloudflare and manage your DNS. In our next video, we will show you how you can create subdomain if you have added your domain in Cloudflare. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our today's video. Thank you.